Okay guys, on 29th of June 2024. Now you can see that this is my plant of Chinese money plant, and we will try to propagate it from the side pups. So now you can see that we have a mature plant, and on all the sides of this plant we have a lot of baby plants. So now we have to take these out, and it is very easy for us to take these out because they are a little bit delicate. And now you can see that we have taken one of our side pup with roots already developing. So now we will go for our second one. The first one is a little bit big and the second one is a bit small. Now I am using my forceps to take it out. Okay, now you can see that this one is also with the one small stem and some roots. Okay, we will just take these two because these two are enough for us. Now this is the place from where we got our baby plants, and these are our baby plants. Now you can see it properly. Okay guys, on June 30, 2024, now we have taken our media, and media consists of 50% construction sand and 50% simple garden soil. And one more thing, that the botanical name of this plant is pilea peperomioides. Now we have given water to these pots. Now you can see that with the help of sand we have increased the drainage of the media, and now I am just trying to level my media. Because if we will just use the simple garden soil, it contains a lot of clay content in it, so it can become mud rather than to drain the water and keep itself dry. Now you can see that all the water has been gone from the right hand side pot. So now I am going to insert this plant within the media like this. So this is our first cutting. Now we will go for the next one, and this one is small as well. Okay, and we have inserted both of our cuttings in our media. Now we have to keep these cuttings or plants within shade, because if you will just place these in sun, they can get destroyed. So first let these plants recover. Okay, on September 3, 2024, now you can see that I have got one of my plant. And one more thing, that I lost one plant or one cutting due to the fact that it used to fall from certain height. Okay, but we got but now we got our results, and our cutting used to survive properly. In Pakistan, a lot of people used to call this plant as the pennywort, which is not right. Okay, so its common name is Chinese money plant, and its botanical name is pilea peperomioides. Now I have washed the roots with water, and now you can see that we can see the root structure properly. Okay, now you can see that a lot of fibrous roots are there. So now let me zoom in out so that you can see it properly. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can grow the pilea, peperomioides or Chinese money plant with the help of side pups or stem cuttings. So thanks for visiting our channel.